So I've become known for getting people out of debt. And the only reason I get people out of debt is because it increases their generosity and increases their ability to invest and become wealthy, which also increases their generosity.
Are you ready to discover savvy ways to invest with a limited income? Welcome back to the Finance Zoom channel. In today's video, I will be delving into the expert strategies on how to invest on limited income by the financial guru Dave Ramsey. Stay tuned for a clear path to smart investing, regardless of your paycheck size.
Investing is intimidating. Investment people are intimidating. I feel 2 inches tall when I talk about investing. It's intimidating. Well, the second one is true. It is intimidating, but it shouldn't be. It's really not that complicated.
I totally relate to that feeling. Investing can come across as intimidating, especially when you see those finance experts talking about it. It's like they're on a whole different level, right? But you know what? I've come to agree with Dave Ramsey on this. Investing doesn't have to be this complex, mysterious thing, and it's true. Sometimes, it might feel like we're out of our depth, but the truth is, it's not as complicated as it seems. Let's break down those barriers and remind ourselves that anyone can understand and succeed in the world of investing. It's time to reclaim our confidence and embrace the simplicity of it all. According to Investopedia, big bucks are not a prerequisite to being a successful investor. Absolutely, investing isn't reserved for the wealthy. You can start building a solid portfolio with even a few $100s. The notion that you need loads of money and expert knowledge is a myth. Your financial journey begins with the right mindset, not just a fat wallet. If you've been eyeing the world of investing with the aim of turning your limited income into something more, you're definitely not alone. Now, I'm going to walk you through practical steps that transform your limited income into an exciting investment journey. Whether you're balancing family responsibilities or shaping your financial path, get ready to equip yourself with the tools to make investing a reality. Are you interested in kickstarting your investment journey with limited funds? Wondering where to direct your savings for future growth? Let's dive in and explore the actionable steps for effective investing on a limited income.
For your goals to have a long-term positive impact, they have to include goals in virtually every area of your life.
Step 1. Set clear financial goals. All right, let's jump into the first step that's going to empower you to make the most out of investing on a limited income. And remember, as Dave Ramsey wisely puts it, a goal without a plan is just a dream. This step is all about setting crystal clear financial goals. Whether you're a dedicated parent aiming to secure your children's education or a solo adventurer on the road to a comfortable retirement, having specific targets is crucial. You might be asking, why? These goals are like the GPS guiding your investment journey, helping you make smart choices with your limited resources. Imagine having a map that shows you exactly where to go. That's what your financial goals do for your investment path. So stick around because we're about to hand you a tool that's going to transform the way you invest.
No one accidentally grows a bumper crop unless it's weeds. No one. So plant something, control the process, control the controllables, write it down. This is my plan. Thank you, Lord. I'm going to do this. I'm going to manage your stuff. I'm going to take care of my own household first. It's in there, remember? And we're going to live this plan out, and we're going to do this thing. It changes everything.
It's a universal truth. No one stumbles upon success accidentally, just as no bountiful harvest is the result of mere chance. Step 2. Get your financial house in order. Here's the second step, and believe me, this one's revolutionary when it comes to investing on a limited income. Imagine our lives as a field where growth requires a deliberate effort, much like cultivating a prosperous crop. So, here's the wisdom. Plant the seeds of your dreams, take charge of the process, and manage what's within your control. Jot it down. Let it be your plan, your guiding light. Acknowledge the higher power, be it the universe or your faith, and commit to nurturing your aspirations. Prioritize your journey by tending to your own household first, as the saying goes. As you embrace this plan, everything transforms. The path you're on isn't left to chance. It's meticulously nurtured, and it alters the course of everything. So let's break down why this step is crucial. 1. Foundation first. Dave's approach begins by constructing a rock-solid financial foundation. This is no coincidence, and it's the backbone of your financial success. 2. Before the investments, ensure your financial house is in order before considering investments. 3. Emergency fund. Have an emergency fund in place to handle unexpected situations without derailing your progress. 4. Debt control. Ensure your debts aren't the ones pulling the strings. Taking charge of your debts is a powerful move. 5. Sturdy base. Think of your investment journey as a structure built on a strong, unyielding base. 6. Safety net. Having a financial safety net isn't just smart, it's essential for your financial security. 7. Control your path. This step isn't just about setting up for investing. It's about grabbing the reins of your financial journey. As Dave Ramsey said, you must gain control over your money, or the lack of it will forever control you. This step isn't just about setting the stage for investing. It's about taking control of your financial path. Step 3. Start small, start now. Dave's wisdom in Step 3 is all about embracing the power of starting, no matter how small. You might think you need heaps of money to begin investing, but that's just not true. When invested consistently over time, even the tiniest contributions can turn into a pretty impressive stash. It's like planting a seed, small today, but with the potential to grow into something mighty. Now let's address the waiting game. I get it. We all want the perfect moment to start investing. But guess what? That perfect moment doesn't exist. Waiting for the stars to align might keep you waiting forever. Instead, heed Dave's advice and start now, no matter how small that start might be. Remember, this step isn't just about starting an investment journey. It's about making that crucial decision to take action. So the key is to begin, whether it's $1 or a bit more. As Dave Ramsey said, you must walk to the edge of the light, and then a few steps into the darkness. Then the light will appear and show the way before you. So don't hesitate. Don't wait for a fortune. Just start now and let time work its magic. Your financial future will thank you for it.
Many thousands of millionaires over the years. How did they invest? What are they doing? Well, we suggest, and I personally invest in good growth stock mutual funds. I spread it across 4 types: growth and income, growth, aggressive growth, and international. And I buy mutual funds that have at least a 10-year track record.
Step 4. Invest with confidence. Have you ever wondered how to approach investing without getting lost in the complexity? Dave Ramsey has your back, and this step is your key. Instead of being overwhelmed by intricate options, Dave recommends a simple but powerful approach. Enter mutual funds or index funds. They're like your trusted investment partners. These funds provide diversification without the headache. The real magic lies in diversification. By spreading your investments across various assets, you're lowering risk while aiming for steady growth. But here's the gem. Invest in what you truly understand and can manage confidently. Don't jump on the bandwagon just because it's trending. In the end, it's about making your money work in a way that aligns with your comfort and goals. By following this step, you're simplifying your investment journey and boosting your potential for success. Remember, it's about dancing to a smarter tune that leads you toward financial freedom while keeping it straightforward.
You have to learn. You don't have to get a master's in business, but you have to learn to the level of sophistication so you don't lose your money.
Step 5. Keep learning to keep earning. It's not about getting a master's in business, but about reaching a level of sophistication where your money stays safe. Welcome to a step that's like a treasure chest of wisdom. Investing isn't a one-and-done deal. It's an ongoing adventure. Take the time to educate yourself about various investment options, financial markets, and strategies. And here's the cherry on top: podcasts, books, and online resources are a goldmine of knowledge. steering you through this journey with success as your destination. Remember, the more you learn, the more your money can grow, and that's an investment that never stops paying off. Remember that investing is a gradual process in a world where limited income might seem like a barrier. By setting goals, building a strong foundation, diversifying income, simplifying investments, staying educated, and taking action, you're on the path to financial growth. It's not just about money. It's about making your money work for you in ways that align with your dreams and goals. Keep in mind that every small step you take today contributes to a brighter financial future tomorrow. Your investment journey begins now, and with dedication, your limited income can pave the way to a brighter financial future. There you have it. Dave Ramsey's actionable steps to invest on a limited income. Remember, investing is a journey, not a race. Stay patient and committed, and your wealth grows over time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are looking to make their money work for them. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more financial wisdom. Until next time, keep investing in yourself and your future. Take care.